How to copy a game on Roblox. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to copy a game on Roblox using the direct copy and paste method. Whether you want to create a similar game or learn by modifying existing games, this tutorial has got you covered. Roblox lets you create, share, and experience games in a unique way. But did you know you can copy games as well? Whether you're trying to build upon an existing game or you just want to start your own project, I'll show you how to copy a Roblox game easily. The first thing you need to do is open Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is where all the magic happens when creating or modifying games on Roblox. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and download it. Once Roblox Studio is open, go ahead and log in with your Roblox account. You can either create a game or search for an existing game. If you want to copy a game you've created or that's publicly available, find it in the My Games or Explore sections. Click on the game you want to copy. It will open in Roblox Studio where you can start editing the game. If the game is public or if it's your own creation, you can directly access it. Once a game is open in Roblox Studio, it's time to copy it. To do this, go to the Home tab and tap Menu and select Game Settings. In the settings, you'll find an option to copy the game. You can also use the Ctrl+C shortcut to copy specific objects or sections from the game you're working on. Now that you've copied the game or certain elements of the game, you'll want to paste it on your own Roblox account. To do this, go to your My Games section in Roblox Studio and select Create New, and you can paste the copied game here using Ctrl+V or simply dragging elements in the workspace. Once you've pasted your game or the elements, don't forget to save it. Now when you're ready, you can publish the copied game by going to the File menu and selecting Publish to Roblox as and give your new game a name, set it to public or private and hit on create. And there you go, your copied game is now live on Roblox.